Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press the power key we can activate the camera app, and if you wanna, for example, launch the Google Assistant, by double press the power key we should first open the settings and then scroll down to the system section. After that, click here to the gestures and tap here to double press power key and switch camera, for example, to launch assistant. And now by double press the power key we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching.
According to Wikipedia,
and
the
if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.